Your iPhone camera is like a Swiss Army knife in your pocket. Sure, it snaps beautiful photos and captures unforgettable moments. But did you know you can use it to scan documents, capture text, measure objects, and much more? Today, I'm revealing hidden tricks your iPhone camera can do that might change how you see your iPhone. Imagine this. You are deep into a captivating book and stumble upon a passage so profound you have to save it. How do you bring it to your digital notes? Do you capture it as an image or do you type it? Well, you don't have to do either. With the live text feature, you can instantly capture text from a page with no typing required. Point your camera to the page and wait for the live text icon to appear. Tap on the text to select it, and then you can copy it and paste it into your Notes app. It's not just convenient, it's a productivity game changer. Pro tip: you can use this feature to translate text, which is especially useful when traveling to another country. Did you know you can use your iPhone camera to measure dimensions? It's not accurate to millimeter precision, but it gets the job done when you don't have a measuring tape around. To measure an object's dimension, launch the Measure app on your iPhone and align the white dot to a measuring point. Now, hit the plus button to add it. Now, move your iPhone to the other end and hit the plus button again. You have got the dimensions right there on your screen. Pro tip: the Measure app is exceptionally good at measuring people's height. So try it and let me know how it goes. While there's a handy QR code scanner in your iPhone's control center, here's the secret: you don't have to open it. Just point your camera at the QR code and it will scan the code. Whether you are grabbing a menu at a restaurant or joining a Wi-Fi network, this feature makes the process seamless. If you have an iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 16 series device, you can unlock the Visual Intelligence feature on your iPhone. Using Visual Intelligence, you can find more information about a product using ChatGPT or get buying links using Google search. You can also find restaurant reviews, add events to your calendar, and do much more. Did you know you can scan documents using your iPhone camera without requiring a third-party app? One of the simplest methods to scan documents is by using the long press action on the Files or the Notes app. Press and hold on the app icon and then select the Scan Documents option to proceed. Now, you can scan as many documents as you want. Who knew your iPhone camera could do so much more than just take pictures? If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might not know these tricks yet. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks that will make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.